Having trouble getting any sound from your Windows 11 device? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that pesky no sound output problem on your Windows 11 computer. So let's jump right into the solution without wasting a second. Solution 1. Restart the Windows Audio Service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu, and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in Net Stop Audio SRV and hit Enter. After that, type in Net Start Audio SRV and press Enter. Now check if you can hear any sound. Solution 2. Choose the proper audio service. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System from the left side menu. Next, click on Sound from here. Now from the Output section, just pick the device you want to hear the sound from and check if that fixed the issue. Solution 3. Update your audio driver. For this, search for the device manager and open it. Then click on the little arrow icon next to the audio inputs and outputs to expand it. Now right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Now it'll look for and install any new audio drivers if they're available. If there are no updates available, you'll see this message. Just hit Close. After that, reboot your computer. Now check if the issue is gone. Solution 4. Uninstall your corrupted audio driver. To do this, open up the device manager again. Then click on the little arrow icon next to the audio inputs and outputs to expand it. Now right-click on the audio device and select Uninstall Device. Then click the Uninstall button and the device will be uninstalled. Now reboot your computer. After your computer starts up, Windows will automatically download and install a new audio driver for your device. Then you should be good to go and hear sound on your Windows 11 device. So that's how you fix the no audio issue on Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If the video helped you sort out the problem, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a bunch for watching and I'll see you in the next one.